Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Pay, Google.com or the Google Wallet app while signed into the account that stores the card. Once done, navigate to Payment Methods. This page lists cards and balances. Make sure the card you'll remove is visible and matches the last 4 digits you expect. If you don't see it, check alternate accounts or linked profiles. Don't skip verifying account access. Google may prompt for re-authentication to protect your payment methods. You'll now tap the card to view details and the available actions. Choose Remove or Delete, then follow on-screen confirmation prompts. Google often asks why and may require your password or 2FA. If the card funds a subscription, cancel that service first or switch to a different payment method. Otherwise, charges can fail. Once you confirm removal, wait a moment and refresh payment methods to ensure the card no longer appears, which indicates the removal completed successfully. Finish by verifying the card is gone, refresh the page or app, and sign out then sign back in to force a sync. If the card still appears, check for any active subscriptions, pending transactions, or holds that block removal and cancel or reassign payment where needed. If you encounter repeated errors, switch networks, clear app cache, or try a different device. As a last resort, contact Google support with the account email and last 4 card digits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.